So hello guys, what you see here is plantain meat pie. Yeah, so this is meat pie that I use plantain to prepare, guys. This was so delicious, so yummy. So in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can prepare your own plantain meat pie. So if you are watching this video and you are diabetic, or you are looking forward to lose weight and you are trying to avoid using flour to make your meat pie, then this is the recipe for you. You can use your plantain here. So with this I'm going to be using the green plantain. Yes, so let me show you how I achieved this aim. And this meat pie was so delicious, it was so yummy, guys. See how it's looking, guys. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make your own plantain meat pie, guys. It's so simple and easy, very simple and easy. Yes, so this is the plantain I'm going to be using here. So this is green plantain. Yes, so guys, this is the plantain I had in the house. Yeah, so let me make good use of it. So I wash it very well. Yeah, because I'm going to be using the plantain peel to make something else. Yeah, so as you can see, this is me peeling the plantain. So make sure you peel your plantain, or better still, you can boil the plantain with the skin, or the skin on. Yeah, just cut it into pieces and then you cook it. Yeah, once it's cooked you can remove the skin, but me, I need the skin of the plantain, so I need to peel it here. So this is me cutting the plantain, so I'm going to be cooking this here. So guys, you're going to cook this until the plantain is very soft, until you can eat the plantain here. So with this I'm going to be using this my local asanka or earthenware bowl. That's what I'm going to use to mash it here. So if you have any mixer, you can use it. Whatever you have that you can use to mash this, you can use it. But this is what I'm going to be using today. I wanted to go local. Yeah, so this is how I was brought up in Ghana. This is what I grew up using. But now, because things are changing, that's when we've started using the blender. But today I decided to go to my old hood. Yeah, I remember back then, yeah, when I used to use this to cook. Yeah, so this is me using my asenka or earthenware bowl. Yeah, so you mash it until you can see that everything has been mashed very well. Yeah, so at this point we are ready here. So here I'm going to bring everything off the asenka or the earthenware bowl and place it into this bowl, and then make sure you cover it or else it's going to dry up here. So I'm going to be using this foil to roll it. Yeah, you know this is plantain, so you cannot roll it like you're rolling the normal flour meat pie. No, so I used this, and at some point it wasn't helping me, and so I'm going to change into other food bag that I'm going to use to roll it. So this is me rolling it here. And at this point my baby was disturbing me, guys. She was disturbing me. So guys, I think I'm going to make this recipe again whenever my husband is around, so that he will look after her, so that I can do it very well. Yeah, but guys, the meat pie came out so good. It was so good. Yeah, so this is me bringing it, opening it here. So with this here, you are going to put your filling. So this is the filling that I'm going to use, is the filling I used to make the oats meat pie. Yeah, I still have some of the filling, so that's what I'm going to be using. This is the remaining one. Yeah, I still have more. Yeah, so I'm going to be using it. That's what I'm going to be using. Yeah, I'm going to be using this to make a lot of recipes. Yeah, this filling. Yeah, so here, after you use the foil to roll it here, yes, you can see me, then you press it the same way you press your meat pie, but make sure you do this very gently, because as you know, this is not this is plantain, yeah, or else it's going to scatter. So make sure you do it gently. Yeah, so once you are done, just bring it from the foil and then place it where you're going to wherever you are going to be baking here. So this is the food bag. So I changed from the foil and then use this food bag, guys. I think I should have used the foil. The foil was better than this, guys. See, this one was just moving. So I had to roll this, guys. It was like a struggle, and at this point my baby was disturbing me. This girl was disturbing me. So at some point you could see that I was using one hand. She was on my back and this girl was trying to calm down. So I had to at some point use one hand to hold her whilst I used the one hand to roll this meat pie, guys. It's not easy. Sometimes if you have a toddler, it's not easy, but I was still able to achieve my aim, which I'm so proud. Yeah, so if you are watching this video and you are looking forward, you love meat pie, but because you are trying to lose your weight, or you are diabetic and you're trying to cut down on sugar, or you're trying to cut down on starch or carbohydrate, then this is for you. This is plantain. This is green plantain. Yeah. So you put the filling as you see me doing, and then you use the same food bag to roll it. Yeah. You put it back here, as you can see me just roll it. Yeah, it's very simple and easy. Yeah, so after you've done it this way, if you don't like the shape, just use anything that you can use to shape. Just shape it to this to how you want it. Yeah, me, I'm going to be using knife to shape it. Yeah, I think this one I just bake it like that. Yeah, I didn't need any, because I didn't shape this one, but some of them I think I shaped it. Yeah, so here I was done rolling. Yeah, so here I'm going to be using my egg to brush it here. Of course you need egg to brush it here, because this is meat pie that we are making here. This is beef corned beef pie that we are making. So you are going to brush it here, and then you poke the holes as well. This is meat pie that we are making here, so use the same procedure or the same method to make it here. So just wait, I'm going to at this point I think I was looking for my pastry brush to brush it here. So just brush it here the same way you brush your meat pie, as you can see me doing. Guys, this came out so good. It was so delicious, so yummy. So if you're looking forward to lose weight, or you are diabetic and you are looking something in place of the normal meat pie, then I'll advise you to use this. This is very good. This is very healthy. Yeah, so guys, with this there's no starch in here. This is plantain. Yeah, plantain is very good. Yes. So guys, so after you poke your holes, and then you play, at this point I'm going to be using my halogen oven to bake this. So at this point it was already on, so make sure whatever you're going to use to bake, if it's your oven is already on. Yeah, so that by the time you put it in, it doesn't take much time, so that it doesn't get soft here. So at this point, this is how it's looking, guys. This is how it's looking. Everything came out so good. It was so yummy, guys. At this point it's already finished. It's almost finished here. So guys, this is how it's looking. Check this out, guys. See, we are missing a lot of things. You can use plantain to make a lot of things. Yes, so guys, so if you're seeing this video on the channel, on the page, please don't forget to share for others to see these goodies here, because a lot of people are suffering from diabetes. People are suffering from their from weight gaining, and they're looking for something that can help them lose weight, and this is the best you can use to lose weight. And at this point, our meat pie, guys, I think I have to leave now so that I can go and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.